Hi everyone. Oh, okay. Hold on. BTW, shout out to my dog Taylor. And sorry about that. And anyway, I ordered a squishy package. Came in this box. And and don't look at the back because it has my address. I pretty much see everything I ordered, so I'm just gonna open it up. And yes, I bought this used, so none of them are really going to be in original packaging. And there's no list in here because. And so here we have this strawberry milk carton. It's a little defective with the top here, but it's still really squishy and pretty slow rising. But so that's that squishy. See, it's pretty slow rising, and so yeah, and I see a little extra. I didn't order this. It's this mini. I don't really know what brand this is, but it looks like a mini peach. I don't know, but it's really soft and really slow rising. But yeah, so I also see this other extra. This Miracle Melting Christmas Tree. And it has and at the top, don't know why. I just want to feel the putty. Ooh, pretty soft. It's really stretchy too. Pretty good. But it's pretty hard. Yeah. So, and then I see the jumbo eyeball that I ordered, and pretty sure you can get this at Walmart because I'm pretty sure you can get this at Walmart. I don't know where you can get the rest of this stuff though. And yeah, so and so that is the eyeball. It's really big and slow rising. So yeah, this is my dog. Good girl. She's turning 2 in July. Okay. This baseball squishy, and it's not really slow rising. It's licensed by, I don't know if you can see that, but it's licensed by Jaru. I don't know. But it's not really slow rising, but yeah, that's that. And I see this banana, and it's really squishy and pretty slow rising. This one doesn't look like it's licensed. Not really, I don't really know what they're licensed by, guys. Only this one is licensed by Jaru, which I can see on the back. But this one is really squishy and pretty slow rising. I really wanted a banana squishy because bananas are lit. Yeah, that's that squishy. So, yeah. Next I have this. I did order a panda bun and got this. But I mean, maybe they're not really maybe they don't really know much about squishies or something. And they just sent me a panda squishy, but it's still pretty cute. And this doesn't look licensed. It's pretty defected in its ears. And it's not really that soft. It's kind of dense. But, yeah. And then the last thing I see in this package is this mermaid squishy. And it's pretty slow rising, I guess. I don't know. But this is not the mermaid I ordered. bad. I ordered a different mermaid squishy, but yeah. This is what I got. But I mean, it's still a mermaid. They kind of got the order right. And so, here are the squishies I got. Got this. Got this squishy. This squishy. This squishy. This squishy. This milk carton squishy. This jumbo eyeball squishy. This extra mini peach squishy. And this Miracle Mountain Christmas tree putty. So, yeah. Oh guys, yeah. So, my dogs, they're cute. Watson. Roxanne's jealous. Hi, girl. They're cute dogs. No eating squishies, girl. Bye, guys.